Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. Thank you so much for watching Brent Speed TV. Today, it's a 17 GT drop top Whipple Supercharged. We are going to watch a dyno pull. It's a Gen 5, but we did a few other mods to this. We are going to go down and take a look because I have Doug with me. We did some upgrades for some reliability, and something else you're going to see are QTP cutouts. Well, you're going to actually see the fob and how it works. But this particular client right here has a killer Roush F-150. That's his vehicle. And then this is the wife's car. So it came in for a supercharger and he wanted some loud exhaust. But you know, when she drives it, he didn't want it too loud. So QTP is how it works out. Got this fob right here. You just hit a button. You can open the exhaust right from inside the car, from sitting outside the car. That's how it works. Doug, let's go check it out. All right, we're gonna go down and take a look. And a couple things real quick. What's it cost to get a Whipple installed here at Brent Speed? Email quote@brentspeed.com. And don't forget, we can ship these right to your door. And check that description. Just open it up. You can click on it, read a lot more about it. This car is an automatic. It's 93 octane. It's a 50 state kit. We got the QTP cutouts. That's awesome. We are going to listen to those before we watch the dyno pull, so stick around. Don't come down here, take a look. It's the Gen 5 Whipple. It's a Stage 2 kit. So on our Stage 2 kit, it's a killer setup. You get the big 132mm throttle body. It's a complete intercooled system, big air induction. And this has factory exhaust manifolds on it, but we did a rear cylinder and cooling kit because this is a high compression engine. We want to keep it as cool as possible. Our big Adler radiator. But besides that, besides the Whipple, besides the rear cylinder cooling kit, we did, you know, billet oil pump gears. So you watch all these videos. We always do billet oil pump gears. But right now we're going to check out the sweet QTP cutouts, which is a great compromise. If you have maybe someone in your family that wants to drive the car and they don't want the car loud, but maybe you do, check this out. All right, before we make the dyno pull, I'm going to run this thing with the factory exhaust manifolds, factory cats, everything on it. Doug's going to back up. We're going to check it out. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to open this up. Here we go. All right, DynoJet SE, but hey, before we go over, you gotta admit, if you like loud exhaust, and maybe you gotta do that compromise like I just talked about, the QTP cutouts are meant. You know, maybe you live in a neighborhood and you don't, you know, let's say you go to work at 6:30 in the morning, 6 a.m., you don't wanna wake up the hood, just leave the car normal, but you have those cutouts for awesome days. DynoJet SAE automatic, Gen 5 Whipple, 93 octane, 653 wheel horsepower, peaking at 7,400 RPM. Torque comes in at 507, peaking at 4,900. This is going to be a sick setup. Again, like I said, it's the wife's car. He has a Roush F-150, but he does like to drive this. She's going to love it. It drives perfect. It doesn't sound too loud. You know, a little bit throaty, but you can hit the QTP cutouts when you want to disturb the neighborhood. So, hey, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. If you have any questions, leave a comment. You can email quote@brentspeed.com. What's that cost to get installed? Check that description. And as always, leave a comment if you have questions. Be happy to answer. Thanks for watching.